Patrick Cohen from the Cohen Yacht Group, excited to host one of the first ever private tours, Marine Max in Pompano Beach, Florida.
So first and foremost, I want to just give an amazing shout out to Patrick Cohen. He put together the most amazing event this evening.
We have boats ranging from 42 feet all the way to 118 feet here. Probably the lowest priced boat is this one. This is a trade that we own. This is a 54.
Marine Max has gone above and beyond. Jenny Wicker, she is the mastermind behind all of this, which I've never seen anybody do that before, the way that she's done it.